I'm Dee Dennis, President and CEO of Visible Light Solar Technologies. When we started to develop this product, what we really were shooting for is how we get from solar on a platform to application. We discovered that LED lighting can be controlled by the same PC board. We're providing solutions that nobody else does out there currently. When we came along, we started reducing kilowatt hours. We started putting energy availability back in the grid as opposed to consuming it. The history of lighting has been pretty stagnant for a long time. What we're seeing with the evolution of the LED lighting industry is it is totally changing how we look at the world. One of the problems that drive people to us is they look at their electric bill. They're looking for a solar solution that is economical. They start to realize that our solution is everlasting. We had one customer that came to us. When we finished changing out his building, his power level went from 3,000 watts to 213 watts. He will realize that savings every year from now on. The old technology is to push a lot of lumens. Because LED is a directional light, we have designed our product to be able to aim it. So the net result is not a lumen output, it's a foot candle at the source. In our process, we take all of the insides out of the existing fixtures. We install our product inside and we recycle everything that we have. Lamps have an environmental impact and they need to be handled carefully. Fluorescent, high pressure sodium, metal halide all have a gas. So if you were to break the parking lot light, you could end up with mercury or phosphorescence. LED has no gases. It's a solid state lighting unit. Our products use several temperatures of LEDs. For most of our exterior products, we use a 6,000 Kelvin range LED, which is brighter than daylight, but we also use some warmer LED colors, more traditional in residential. Speedy is our patented intelligence product that allows us technology interface for power control, solar interface. Because we have microprocessors on board, we can measure the amount of power that we gather during the day from our solar products. When we reach critical level, it automatically switches back to grid power. We can do all levels of communication by wireless devices. We can install security cameras on it to provide motion detection, light detection, turn lights up, lights down. Our idea is that we use LEDs that are closer to natural light levels, and that we produce an actual equivalent to sunlight. One of our customers wanted to just see the light, to see if they liked it. And when they drove down to their school from a quarter of a mile away, they just couldn't believe how great the light was, how we had eliminated the big orange spots that were dotted their parking lot. One of the automobile dealers in our area wanted to see what LED lighting was about. And what he found out is that when he walked out on his parking lot at night, he could see the color of the car underneath our lights, where he could not identify the color under his lights. Traditional lighting produces a lot of heat. LED lighting does not produce heat. We were out visiting a customer, a large food distribution company, and they identified that they were using approximately 2.5 million kilowatt hours a year to light their facility. We were able to provide them with 1.5 million kilowatt hours of savings over the first year. Our client base, we believe, is from the gentleman that wants one parking lot fixture changed out to a client that has 9,500 parking lot lights. We want reliability for our customers, so we've gone to independent third-party testing labs. Architects and engineers can place our lighting output levels into their drawings and have confidence that we can meet the performance specifications that they have. Our outdoor solutions that we offer currently are our roadway lighting, street lighting, our parking lot lighting with solar application, our building lighting, wall packs, and uplighting, as well as bollards on the exterior. Our interior solutions include low bay lighting, parking garage type lighting, canopy lighting, and high bay lighting. The great thing about our product is you can order it today. We can show it to you. As the solar industry starts to expand, as the LED lighting industry starts to expand, marrying the two on your home or your building will ultimately be a solution to reduce the power in our country. The future of LED and solar application going forward has no limits. What I tell my daughter I do is I change the way people look at lights every day.